Hey guys, it's me Elijah back again with another video, and today we're doing an SML at school, and my sister is participating, so we're going to get everything set up, so see you in a minute. First day of middle school. This is going to be so boring. Wait, what does the board say? First day of middle school. 1 plus 1 equals sad face. 2 plus 2 equals your mom. 3 plus 3 equals your dad. 4 plus 4 equals your gay. That's just kind of weird, don't you think? Teacher, are you okay?
My husband, he went to the market without me. Hey teacher. What? You Nick Compoop. Why are you complaining about that though? Like, it's just a market. Shut up! Go back to class. I am in class. Shut up! Sit down, you fatty. So like I was saying to class, let me just get the board. Okay, if you haven't read the board, it says first day of middle school. 1 plus 1, sad face. You in the back, you ugly thing! Shut up!
What? Can I just he's here? He's just a doll, dude.
No, he's not, Josie. Shut up!
Sorry, Miss Dummy. No, God, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. Please don't send me to detention. Don't send me to detention.
I'm sending you to detention if you do that one more time.
I didn't. Who farted?
Whoever smelled it, dealt it. You're going to jail. I got some booty. My booty. My booty. My booty. Get out of my way. So, Penelope, how's your day going? Shut up, Junior. I don't want to talk to you.
Teacher! She's hitting. Ow!
That's what it doesn't even have a boyfriend. So like I was saying, Junior, you're just weird, ugly. Why don't you go date your cuddly friend? You smell like tacos. Oh yeah, I ate 3 bean tacos last night.
Did somebody say bean tacos?
Yeah.
Who said bean tacos? I love bean tacos.
It wasn't me. Junior. Hold up, wait. What's coming in?
Do you have any some bean tacos left?
It's a wet one.
Uh-oh. And no, please don't fart. No.
Everyone!
This way. So yeah, Penelope, how's your day going? I told you, Junior, to shut up. No one cares.
We're back from the bathroom. What did we miss?
I didn't fart. Never mind. Sorry, I ate the 3 bean tacos. Actually, no, I ate 20.
Did somebody say bean tacos?
Stop farting!
I can't help it. I ate 20 bean tacos last night, okay?
God, teacher! Teacher!
What?
Stitch is farting!
Stitch
on
Stitch.
purpose.
Who's Stitch?
Oh, not Stitch. Cody. Cody.
Oh, then you must like Stitch.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm a Stitch fan. Right here. This guy. Right here. He
You.
farted on purpose.
Nah, I don't smell anything. Let me smell your bum.
I didn't do
You
anything.
farted! Get out!
Oh,
Attention.
I ate the bean tacos.
Get away, you fatty!
Ah, it smells so cute.
Go to the bathroom! Don't let the cheese rip!
I'm about to poop. I'm about to poop. I'm about to poop. Can't hold it in longer. I'm about to poop.
Ew!
Ow.
No, the pip's everywhere in my hair!
Don't send me to detention, please. I'm sorry. Sorry, don't send me to detention. Are you gonna send me into... Okay,
Yeah, I'm getting detention, dumb teacher. Dumb teacher crash.
Shut up. Now you're going to detention for 3 hours.
Don't care. Parents don't love me anyways. Teachers
Oh,
started
it's
teaching.
lunchtime.
Oh, lunchtime. Okay, well, I'm just gonna stay here. I'm just gonna play on my phone.
I'm
Even though we're
get
not
a
al-
snack.
Even though we're not even allowed to play on our phone. Playing on my phone. Ooh.
Penelope, you see this Hershey kiss? You see this Hershey kiss? You see this Hershey kiss, Penelope? You see it? Yeah, Junior? Well, just get rid of the Hershey's and that's what I want to do to you.
Ew, dude.
Ugh.
I'm fed up with you guys.
I'm gonna play some Roblox.
No one cares!
Can you play some Roblox? I hope the teacher doesn't get mad at me for playing Roblox.
It's just a beautiful day. My husband came back from the
Come on, Roblox load.
class time!
That's okay. No one, she will not notice. Go on.
Let's get this whiteboard. Oh, there's the marker. It's the first day of middle school, so let's write something.
The teacher's coming. Well, I still have some time to play Roblox.
I'm back, class.
Hmm.
Today, for your assignment, you're going to be
Wait,
writing
yeah, over there. You have to be over there.
Write a poem about your favorite person. You may
My
ask
favorite
me.
person is Penelope.
Shut up, Junior. No one asked. So, if you see right here, Joseph.
Yes. One of my mom's texting me. No, okay.
You're playing Roblox.
Okay, I'll hop off. There's just but it's educational. It's school. I'm learning how to presentate because I want to.
Oh, I played that game. It doesn't work. Yeah, go.
I'm trying to learn how to make a presentation. I want to do it on a stage.
Fine, hurry up. So
Okay.
you guys are gonna make. So tell me what your guys' favorite person is. Junior.
I'm sorry, so sorry.
My favorite person is Penelope. Junior. My favorite person.
Oh my God, this dumb teacher's dumb. Hug. Oh, what? It's him.
Now stop what you're doing.
Wait, but can I wait? Cause I'm about to do something really educational. I have to get 75 points. Ah! There's rats! Everyone run!
Find it. That won't do anything. I'm gonna have to do the big one. I have a weapon.
Yes.
Wait, can I? Is it okay if I see this real quick? Wait, let me see this real quick. I'll give it back. Okay, I'll get off my phone if you let me see it. Let me see this real quick, please. Okay.
Yes.
I can plug this in. There we go. Now I can play even more Roblox.
Why you bullying me?
Yeah, Roblox. Roblox, guys. Today we're gonna be learning about Roblox. Put in the beat. Put in the sounds. The tape what's ours.
That's it. I'm tired of you. Go to the principal's office. I'm taking away your phone.
Okay.
Put it away now.
Fine, teacher.
Okay, kids, it's baking class. Now put away your phone or you're going to a detention. I'm making sure that the principal will take away your phone.
Okay, I'm in detention. I'm an idiot. I'm gonna play something on the school speakers. Hold on. I'm just trying to message something.
Okay, kids.
Sorry, guys. Helicopter at me. Speakers.
Okay, class. We have new assigned seats now. So
No!
Shut up, you idiot!
We are all saying boo!
Shut up! Okay.
It's starting.
Okay, kids. We have our new assigned seats.
No new seats!
I'm gonna kill you.
Okay, I'm sorry.
So, what I was saying, it says, write a poem about your favorite person you're getting. So now write about your favorite person on a piece of paper.
Okay, how much time do we have?
An hour.
What?
And if then, yeah.
Okay.
So if everybody gets done, that means everybody's done. And you don't have
Okay.
any time to play games.
Got it.
Who's
1 hour later, we're all done!
Okay, come on, kids. Let me see.
I'm going can I do it, teacher?
Okay, what's your poem?
My poem is about my love, Ken. Our love grows forever. We both like Hershey kisses, but get rid of the Hershey, and that's what we like to do together.
He's a doll, dude!
Shut up, Joseph!
Okay, Cody, this is what I write yours.
You're stupid!
Yeah, you're stupid! You like a doll, dude! Ugh.
Okay, Cody.
Ah!
attention.
I'm sorry, babe. I'm out of here.
Now you're at 70%. You're at 10%.
No,
in
I never fail, teacher.
So now you're at 10%. You're at 10%.
Please don't do anything. I will even kiss you. Come on, please.
Ew, now that's 5%.
No!
And now that's 0%.
Oh. Okay, I'm going to proceed. My parents.
Gregory.
Gregory.
Gregory. Boom, boom, boom.
School's almost over, guys. Just one more hour left of school.
Oh, yeah, the principal said since you guys are failing, since Cody's failing super hard, and he is at 10, you guys are going to have to stay here for about a month.
No. But it's almost summertime. It's almost winter break. So that means we're going to have to come in winter break.
Yes.
Oh, at least winter break's in a month. So only one more hour left.
Actually,
So what are we going to
We'll
learn?
be here in 40 months.
Okay, anyways. So what are we going to do next?
You're going to bake a cake that the person that you love to. You're going to draw a picture, or you can bake a cake, and you're going to draw it on this whiteboard.
I want to go first.
Okay, Cody, go draw your picture first. Draw it of your beloved Ken.
Okay. Time to draw.
It's working. Draw.
Teacher, I'm done. Can I show the class?
Yeah.
Okay, class, this is what I did. So, there's me and Ken making out.
Ew! Get a plot line.
For presenting. Next. Can I go, teacher? Okay, Junior. Junior, you're next. Okay, so this is a pineapple. Penelope! Shut up. And this is my thick bum. You see how thick it is? Yeah. And then that's me kissing her. And then...
Hey,
can you show
If
us
you
your
read
butt
this,
again?
can you show us your butt again?
Ow.
So then that's pineapple, and then this
I
is
have something to add on. Yours and Pineapple Apple Pan's drawing suck.
Don't worry, B. I'll kiss you.
Okay, that's the end of class.
Okay, kids, that's the end of the class. I'm kind of paranoid with Junior and Cody. They all did 0% in class.
Woohoo!
Now I'm gonna kill myself because my husband's trying to went to the grocery store without me, and you all better shut up because 3 of you have to go to the principal's office. Just kidding, all of you have to because you're all ugly.
Okay.
That's the end, guys.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. We had a couple of mistakes, but you're gonna laugh in the helicopter part. So
Maybe.
enjoy it.